Now, speaking of older women, have you guys seen this right here? They were cooking Vivica Fox, bro. I don't know why they were cooking her. They were cooking Vivica Fox because apparently Vivica Fox, all of our content creator counterparts were cooking her. Yeah, she's not the same. She doesn't look the same. Vivica Fox, she looks crazy. Yeah, she continuously sweats up 50 Cent. And yeah, she's a black woman. She's an older black woman. She has her opinions, but she doesn't look that bad. This is what Vivica Fox looks au natural. She doesn't look that bad. Vivica Fox doesn't look that bad, but right now, right here, she says that she's accepting applications. Did you guys see that video? Watch this.
What else you're wanting? Are you dating?
Yeah.
How's it going?
I'm wanting to date.
Yeah.
It's limited resources out there, right?
Yes.
Because I'm not getting on an app.
Why? You're just not into
I'm old-fashioned. I'm like, I need to meet you and sparks happen and stuff like that. Because
I agree. I am technologically savvy, but I agree. I think killing your own dinner, being there in person, being able to study body language, smell, etc., is better that way. I'm better in person than on camera, over the phone, etc. So she wants to see sparks flying. And everybody was cooking her because of what she wanted. A lot of the people that were cooking her aren't in relationships themselves. Maybe they have several baby mamas. So I don't understand why, because a woman wants, to find love and be as delusional as it sounds. Why is that so wrong? Now, I don't want niggas to think, and I don't give a fuck, to be honest, but I don't want niggas to think that I'm caping or trying to defend these hoes, these old hags. Absolutely not. But I'm trying to speak objectively like an adult. I already told you Gayle King should not have made the cover of Sports Illustrated. I already told you that, but she looks good for her age, 69 years old. I don't want to sit here and cook Vivica Fox because her old ass wants love. She may not deserve love. She may never find love. But what's wrong with wanting something and striving for it? A lot of you niggas will never get a submissive woman, but you're going to keep striving for it, right? You're going to keep super chatting niggas. You're going to keep getting coaching to try to get a woman to be submissive. Meanwhile, you're not masculine enough to make a woman submissive.
I just believe people make up stories saying who and what they are.
Yeah, exactly.
And
what are you looking for at this stage, this point?
A partner.
Yeah.
And when I say a partner, I want someone that's going to be fun.
Yeah.
That's not intimidated by who and what I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That likes to travel.
Yeah.
Going to let me go shopping.
Yeah.
I feel like you just spoke it into existence.
I hope so, girlfriend.
I feel like you just
and I'm taking applications.
Oh,
so you got a friend.
Okay.
I'm good.
We'll be all.
And I don't discriminate. I'm not against different nationalities. Let you know that too.
Vivica's gonna
This broad said that she wants a man, to let her be who she wants to be. This is the problem. Now, again, if you're going to get with a woman at that age in particular, you got to get with somebody that you know who they are. You can't change a woman. A woman can only want to change based on the parameters that she wants to be around you in. This is very important. You're not supposed to force a woman to change. You're not supposed to force a woman to be submissive. A woman has to understand that her submission will be rewarded. A woman has to understand that her quote unquote changing to be in your relationship, to fit in your dynamic of your lifestyle, will be beneficial for her. Why would a woman want to change if there's no benefit in it for her? Why would you pursue a woman who is doing something that you didn't necessarily like, but you want her to change? You're not supposed to force anybody to do anything. Somebody wants to stay, you let her stay. You reward her for staying, as long as she's contributing. But if she leaves, you let her go. This is very important. So I want to ask you guys this right here. What do you guys think? Do you guys think are older women a safer bet for men with minimal experience?
If it's some mothers in here, bro, please stop. Please let your child see their father, especially if they a good father. Let your child see their father. If y'all just don't know, that ruins us inside. Like, it ruins us bad. Like, our relationship, like, we have to grow up with this. And this gonna forever be a story of our lives growing up without our father. Like, if you got a child right now and you're literally keeping them away from their father, you ruin the kid's life. It's not gonna come back good on you. They gonna always have this hatred towards you. You feel me? For you keeping them, but if you like keep them away from a father for a good reason, like he a drug addict or something like that, or he just can't get right, then yeah, I understand. But if he's a good father, let the man see his child for sure. Like for real, like let him see his child, because I'm telling you, we need our father figures. You feel me? We need our father figures. We love our mom. We love y'all to death. We love our mom so much, but we need our father figures. We need that, you know, that manly in our life. You feel what I'm saying? So please let your child see their father, especially if they're a great father. And if you are anything like me, and you're grown now and you have the chance to go find your father, and he actually like a good person, I advise y'all to go find your father and go talk to your father and catch up on times. Cause look, this life is short, bro. I understand that this life is short and you only get one father. You feel me? So I feel like I gained enough confidence to go actually speak to my dad and have a conversation with him and see like what he's been going through all these years without seeing me.